Hey, what's going on guys, Digital Millionaire here. So I've just hit 50,000 subscribers yesterday, so I thought I'd make a video updating you, okay, showing you how much I make on my YouTube channel with 50,000 subscribers, okay. I thought I'd just give you an idea of roughly how much you can expect to earn if you've just started out a YouTube channel and you're pretty small, but you're trying to build up your subscribers. But I'm going to show you exactly how much money I make. I'm going to reveal it all in this video. So we're just going to jump straight to the computer, guys, and I'm going to show you everything, okay? I'm going to show you inside my analytics and all of that stuff, alright? So let's just jump into it. Alright then, so this is my channel right here. This is Digital Millionaire, okay? And as you can see, 50,212 subscribers. I just hit 50,000 yesterday. I've been doing this for about a year, so it's not bad. It's not great by any means, okay? 50,000 in a year. It's not great at all, but it's not bad. So I post videos about making money online and entrepreneurship. If you're interested, if you haven't seen my channel before, click the subscribe button, okay? Smash the like button, click the subscribe button, because I post videos just like this one every single day, okay? Showing you about ways to make money online, okay? So check out my channel if you haven't already and subscribe as well, all right? So this is my channel. Now let me show you my Social Blade stats, okay? This is public. Anyone can go to Social Blade and search for my channel, and you can see all of this information right here if you want to, all right? So this is public. But this is a little bit inaccurate. I'll show you in just a moment. I'll actually take you to my real YouTube analytics very, very shortly, okay? But I just want to show you on here that you can't actually believe what you see on Social Blade, all right? So these are all accurate, okay? So subscribers and video views every day, these are of course accurate, all right? But the estimated earnings, so at the moment it's saying I earn anywhere between $129 per month all the way up to $2,100. That's a high end, apparently $2,100. But honestly guys, as you'll see in just a moment, that's not accurate. I earn actually more than $2,100 every month from 50,000 subscribers, all right? So let's just go straight into my YouTube analytics, and I'm going to show you and reveal everything to you. So here it is, guys, okay? This is for the month of May. What's the date today? Today is the, where is it? It's the 31st today, so it's the last month of May today. So I'm expecting this to, so it's $2,653 right now, as you can see here. Your estimated revenue, $2,653.70. I usually get around $80, $90, $100 per day. So I'm expecting this by the end of May, for the entire month of May, probably going to be $2,750, somewhere around there, all right? $2,750. So Social Blade was a little bit inaccurate. What did it say? $2,100. So it's like $600 a month off. The low end is very, 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 very far off. $129 a month. I don't know who would be. You'd have to have no ads on your videos whatsoever. But yeah, $2,750. That is what I'm expected to earn for the month of May, all right? And the month before, let's just have a look at April. That was how much? $2,688, okay? So not much difference. I'm going to be earning roughly around $70 more this month, okay? It's been steady for the last couple of months, all right? It does grow slowly, okay? You're going to have a few slow, very, very slow starting few months. I'll show you the graphs right now, actually. That's probably the best way to do it. Let's go back. Actually, let's go down to lifetime. Where's that? Lifetime. So as you can see here, these are my lifetime earnings on YouTube, okay? I've earned a total of $9,167. So you can see right here, guys, the Thursday, 30th of August, 2018, I earned 79 cents that day, okay? And as we go on and on and on, it's slowly going up and up and up and up, okay? This is September, $1, $2, $3 a day, still nothing much, and it's going up and up and up and up. We're starting to hit $4, $5, $6 a month here, and then boom, it's just going up every single day. Because obviously the more videos you have on YouTube, the more traffic you're going to get to them, the more views you're going to get, and the more money you're going to make, okay? That's why posting daily videos is a great way to make money, because you just got constant views coming in. Even from all your old videos, you're still going to get money coming in from these, all right? So as you can see here, this is where it started to get decent, okay? Obviously I wasn't happy with this money, like $1 a day. This is just a grind. I was thinking, oh, come on, when's it actually going to start? When am I actually going to start making some decent money? It was killing me seeing this really low income. I was seeing people making like $1,000 a day. I was thinking, what? I'm getting $1 a day. I'm getting 40 cents a day. This is ridiculous. Why am I wasting my time? But stick with it, guys, because it grows pretty fast. As you can see, it just goes up and up and up and up. And now these days, as you can see here, these days I'm making sometimes $100 plus per day. This one was my best one here, $113 in a single day, okay? And then all my other ones are like 90, 80, 100, 80, 90, 90, 100. Okay, so it's averaging out anywhere between $80 and $110 a day these days, okay? And it's slowly going up, very slowly, okay? As you can see, last month I made $2,650, something like that. And this month I'm going to earn around $2,750, okay? Because it's still going up and up and up every single month. And like I said, that is with 50,000 subscribers, all right? I do make money on my channel through other means as well, but that's going to be another completely different video that I'm going to make shortly in the future, okay? So every single one of my videos, you've probably noticed this before, okay? Click on any of them. Okay, let's just go to this one right here. Let me mute this very quickly. So as you can see in the description right here is my #1 recommendation. That is an affiliate link, so anyone who clicks on that and purchases this is a 100% legit method, guys. This right here, my #1 recommendation, this is going to take you to it's my honest #1 recommended money making opportunity. That's what I use myself, okay? So it's not a scam or anything like that. It's a win-win for both of us, okay? Because I make money as an affiliate by sending traffic to this, and you're going to learn how to make some really good money online. So it's a win-win for both of us, okay? I learn a commission, and you're going to get some really solid, good training to learn how to make money online. And I earn a lot of money with that as well, guys, okay? So it's around $2,750 per month from YouTube AdSense alone. But then I've got affiliate links in all my videos. I've got affiliate links all over the place, which are constantly making me money every single day, which honestly, guys, that doubles, more than doubles my YouTube ad revenue, okay? So yeah, but that's going to be an entirely different video in the future, okay? That I'll be making very shortly in the future, all right? So that is it for this video, guys, pretty much. Just want to show you roughly how much you can expect to earn with a channel around my size, okay? But it's different. For every channel, it is different. Whatever niche you're in, niche, whatever you want to call it, whatever like, whoever your audience are, it's going to be different for you. That's because YouTube has this thing called a CPM, that means cost per milli. And that is how much you're going to earn per 1,000 views on any of your videos, all right? And that is different for every single channel. Like, it's different for everyone. If you're in a niche like mine, about making money online, it's a very safe niche. Okay, the content is usually family friendly. There's no swearing, anything like that. So I earn a pretty good CPM. It's like $6 or $7, something like that. But somebody who's posting gaming videos, they're gonna have maybe like a $1 CPM, $1 or $2. It's gonna be way less. That's because the content isn't safe. There could be swearing, there could be violence in the videos, and that is how YouTube works. Okay, my CPM is pretty good. So if you're in another niche, but that's not very family friendly, you could expect to earn a lot less than I am. Alright then, guys, so that is how much money I'm making on YouTube right now with 50,000 subscribers. But this could be entirely different for you, okay? Don't take this as a complete accurate representation of what you're going to earn, because it's not, okay? I haven't had any videos go like really viral yet. One viral video can make your income go absolutely through the roof, okay? Seriously, if you get a video with like 1 million views, I'd probably make like $5,000 or $6,000, maybe $7,000 from that one video alone, all right? But I haven't had that happen to any of my videos just yet. But it could happen. So you could earn a lot more money than this, all right? If you posted a few videos and some of them go viral, you could earn way more money than this. And don't forget that CPM, whatever channel whatever niche your channel is in, that makes a huge difference as well. But I just showed you what I earn every single month from YouTube right now with 50,000 subscribers, roughly around $2,600, $2,700 a month, and it's slowly getting bigger and bigger, more and more money every single month. But thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.